How are we doing? Back on these pattern details. We're still on Hyo. This is, well, this one's more of a reminder than it is of a detail, because this is bits that we've done either in this pattern already and in previous ones. But it's, like I say, it's just a reminder. Okay? And it's the halfway point. Okay, so when you start 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, guard, kick, knife, 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 spear. Hopefully you remember those bits. Okay, and it's this. You come from that spear. This is at dosan, but you do not go up, down. Okay, we go from your spear onto the front, and then you repeat the combinations from the beginning. Okay? That's the reminder. That's all it is. Just to remind you, the bit in the middle is the same as the bit at the beginning, if I could say it. Okay? It's the same idea as dosan. Dosan goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the midpoint we turn around and go 1, 2, 3, 4. We just turned the other way, but you still go left and right, and it's still the same combination. Okay? This is the same. Okay? At the beginning, left foot, double block, 2, 3, steppity step, 1, 2, 3. You then go down the centre, do your middle bit combination, hit that spear, and then it goes drop, front hip, long turn, and repeat. 1, 2, 3. Shuffly, shuffly. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay? It's just a reminder for that section. Do not change it, do not make it up. Remember, you're doing that big 270-degree turn to get there as well. Yeah, don't short step it. Okay? That's it for this one. This one's really easy. Thanks very much. Keep practicing.